Here this morning at Mountain View RV Park in Columbia Falls, Montana. And well, today's project is to repair a chip in the windshield on our new truck. Yesterday I put the Oasis summer pump in the Oasis water heating system that runs off a diesel burner. So today, patching the windshield. So I'm going to record this, see how long it takes, and we'll go from there. I have the tools and everything set up. I got a little ladder over here, and that is a nasty chip. Really bad. So let me show it to you first before I get in there and start drilling on it and see how big it is before I start, and then how big it is after I finish. I have been known to make them spread. Hopefully that's not going to be the case today. Nice sunny day. It's been raining for 3 days. It's been cold. So what I have to do is drill. I've got a diamond tip blade or carbide tip blade. I can't remember which it is. So I got the All right, I'm through. And let's just see how that's going to work. I want it to be as clean as possible. And Oak Cliff says, don't forget your compressed air. Clean that hole out good so the resin will get down in there. All right, so we have to mount this on the windshield. And the idea is to get it nice and straight over the hole. That looks pretty good. Looks pretty good there. Looks to be straight. Let's just do a quick test with this. All right, so I think we're going to be off. No, we're going to be off. Got to move it. That looks pretty good there. Should run it down to see. Oh yeah. I think that's going to be it. I might move it back just a touch. Nope. Right there's better. I think that'll be good. Let's try that. This is the fourth patch I've made since I've gotten these tools from Cliff Bohr. So I've got the windshield repair resin. It's a Poly 50. And I have the windshield repair poly filler. So that's to fill the hole afterwards. The resin is to put down inside the cracks so the cracks will hopefully seal up and stop from spreading. So Cliff said, put a couple drops in. He says you don't need much. Man, it feels good today. Ah. All right, so back off a couple of turns. Let's get that stuff down in there. And now we're going to put it on the applicator. And so first step is get it down. Don't want it too tight. And now we are going to pull a suction on that. Get the air out. We'll let that sit for a minute or two and see what happens. Back here, I'm going to inject the resin. So I see some dripping out. No, hope so. We'll find out soon enough. Well, I'll let that sit some more. And we'll come back and pull that out, take a look at it, and then we can put the filler in and finish it off. So I got the applicator off and I wiped the spot, and it looks like the resin is down inside the hole. So now we're going to put this filler in to fill a little hole up. And we put this piece of clear plastic on there to kind of hold it in place. We're going to let that sit for a while. It should be it. We'll see after a while. After we go over some bumps and all, we'll see how well it was going to work. All right, we're going to do the big reveal here. Pull this plastic strip off. Good. Take a razor blade and scrape off the excess residue. Yeah. That is supposed to make the glass smooth so the wiper blades don't get hung up on it. Look at that. That is nice and smooth. And that's the excess. Oh yeah, oh yeah, and oh yeah. I think that might have worked. I'm going to call it success.